my name is Natalia and I work at Freewheel Bike West Bank, and we're going to show you how to set the Jackalope rim up tubeless with a Hodag tire. So first you're going to want to get your regular sticky rim tape here. We're going to put 2 layers of that on.
How's he doing? What's he doing? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good.
A little bit of a process, first time here. So you get your 2 layers going, snip it off. So go ahead and find your valve and get a razor. You're going to want to cut a little cross hatch into that hole so you can put your valve in there. Just get that open. So you get your Bontrager tubeless valve. Stick that right in there. Easy on the rim. Get your nut put on there. Lock that into place. Grab your Hodag tire, make sure you've got your direction going the right way here, so double check that. Looks like we got it right here. So mount one side of that bead. Pretty normal stuff here. That on, and then go ahead and mount the other side, leaving just enough room to pour a little bit of goo in there. Shake that up real good. So we're going to put about a 1/3 cup in there. Nice little puddle. Rotate that baby around. Mount the other side of your Hodag. Let's try that one more time here. Got a lot of stuff to work with. A lot of extra material with these big fat tires. Go ahead. Snap that baby right on there. There we go. So we've got our extra special fancy new tool here, the tubeless ready Bontrager Flash Charger. So this kind of supercharges your pump. So make sure you've got it starting down. You don't want to let all of that air pressure out. So I'm gonna get this over here. And this is gonna go all the way up to 160. We're gonna supercharge this baby. So, and get it pumped up. This is actually super easy, even for a lightweight. All 100 pounds of me, super easy to do.
Look at the power stance.
So we're up to 120. Not even lifting my feet off the ground yet, 140. All right. Bringing it up to 160, there we are. So, got my nut on there. Gonna open up my valve here. Stick my pump head on, lock it on, and then we're gonna wait for the magic to happen right now. Ready? And just like that. Stop it. Or and good to go. And just like that,
Woo!
don't forget to roll all of your sealant in there. And voila, even super noobs can do this, so like me. So that's how you set up your Hodags with your jackalopes. Enjoy!